How to use Zenler, complete 2026 platform guide. Zenler is more than just another course platform. It's your entire creator business in one place. What Zenler actually is. Zenler replaces your course platform, membership tool, email system, funnel builder, community platform, webinar software, and checkout tools. Everything runs from one login with one simple workflow. You get courses, memberships, communities, email marketing, funnels, automation, digital downloads, webinars, coaching tools, and analytics all in one system, and so much more. It's the most complete platform for creators. Your training and support system. Here's what makes Zenler different. You get a complete education ecosystem. You get a full tutorial site on our tutorials.usezenler.com site with step-by-step lessons on everything. You get support documents. You get a YouTube channel with thousands of videos, a Facebook community for you as a creator. Weekly live support desks where you can come on and ask your questions or things that are stopping you from your business. We have workshops running all the time, and when you come into the program, you get access to the Accelerator program. This is a 30-day program that will take you and get your business off the ground. And then after that, we have an Accelerator Plus where you can get a little bit more advanced with these things, all done step by step and supported each week live. Plus you get 30-day trial with full access to explore everything. So what can you build? Inside Zenler, you can create courses with videos, quizzes, and certifications. You can build complete funnels for lead magnets, sales, and webinars. You can set up email marketing with broadcast, automation, all of course with behavioral triggers. You can create memberships with recurring billing and community integration. You can host live classes and webinars with Zoom integration, and you can sell your digital products with instant delivery. Plus, Zenler, of course, has blogs. It allows you to create bundled courses and so much more, and logic-based surveys and quizzes as well, and assignments, just a ton of stuff. Plus, you get a whole community, and this is without any extra subscriptions. So getting started, your dashboard gives you access to course funnels, emails, communities, live classes, automations, and analytics. Everything is organized for beginner, but powerful enough for pros. Start with your 30-day trial. Join the Facebook community, watch the quick start tutorials, and create your first course or funnel. You're never alone because you have tutorials, docs, YouTube training, live help, and of course you have the 30-day Accelerator program that you're guided through. Follow the link in the description, guys, to find out more about this really powerful, amazing platform. And if you come across this video for the first time and think, what is Zenler all about? Just give it a try. You've got nothing to lose, and we are here to support you every single step of the way.